best easiest way you can do voiceover to your video. And for those of you that are upcoming content creators that want to do voiceover for any video at all, with the help of this video that I'm about to share with you, you'll be able to do your voice over. All you have to do is to make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to make use of InShot to do the voiceover. I'm still going to use CapCut. So if you are using any of these, you can watch the one that falls to your category. After you have opened the InShot, you go to where the arrow is pointing to video here. So you touch it. After you have touched it, the next thing you are going to do is that you come to this new showing plus here. Then it will direct you to where you can select the video that you want to do voiceover or reaction to. So I'm going to select one video from here. So after you have selected it, you will see this mark, this circle here showing good. Then you touch it. After you touch it, it will make the video to appear in your main menu where you can do your voiceover. After you have come to this main menu like this, what you are going to do next from here is that you come to this option showing audio where the arrow is pointing to. You touch it. After you have touched it, you come to this record where the arrow is pointing to. You touch it and it will open a surface to you where it will be counting. Then from there you do your voice over. So let me make example. So you can see that it's counting from 3 to 1. So from here now my voice over or voice reaction, now be this one they talk from here. So anything when you go talk from this way, this circle they round, when you dey all like this, anything when you go talk within this circle where they show red for here, all of them they will dey the side of your voice over or your voice reaction. So now so let's take the one. If you want do your voice over to any video or voice reaction to any video, so after you don't do that one finish, you can touch on the red again to stop am. I've touched it now. You can see that everything I've stopped at 0.46 here. So what you are going to do next from here now is that you touch on this mark here showing good here. You touch it to apply the voiceover or your reaction towards the video, to apply it. So you touch on this option here where the arrow is pointing to. After you have touched it, it will carry you back to the main menu again. So what you are going to do from here now is that you touch on this option again to apply it for the second time to the main menu. So after you have touched it, it will come to this surface where you can load the volume of the video throughout to your voice reaction ends. So from there, if you want the video to continue to speak out from there, you can leave it from there. But if you don't want the video not to speak anything at all, you lower the volume through. So the first thing I'm going to do from here now is that I'm going to lower the volume of the main video that I'm reacting to. For you to lower the volume, you see all these icons showing here. You are going to screw everything to this edge until we see the volume icon. So you can see from here. So you can see you can see the volume here. So the next thing you are going to do is that you touch on the volume. When you touch on the volume, you can see double mark here and single mark here. This double mark mean as you increase the volume, you touch on this double mark, it will apply to all the video you cut. Or if you touch on this single one, it will just only apply to the particular part you increase the volume. You can see that the main video is playing. So I will reduce the volume now. So what you are going to do next now is you come to this option here. You touch to apply it. If you want the main video to play after your voiceover, you locate this gray line under the video here. You locate where it ends, which means where your voiceover ends, because this gray line represents your voiceover. So you locate where it ends and you cut the video from there, so that after your voiceover, from here to this other side, the main video will play. But from here to the other side, it's only your voiceover that will play. So let me split it. After splitting it, then I will increase the volume from this side. So for you to split it, you look for this where the arrow is pointing to, which is showing split here. So I will touch it to split the video, to separate my voiceover from the main video. So I've touched it. So after touching it, you will see a line showing here. You will have this line showing. You can see that when you look between from here to here, you will see this line, mean that you have separated the video, which is from here to the other side is your voiceover, while from here to the other side is the main video. So after your voiceover are played, then the main video will continue from where you reacted to. I will increase the volume of this other side now. For me to increase the volume, I need to come back to this option again. So after that, you can see from here that the volume is down. What you're going to do is that you hold on this circle and scroll it to the other side. Then you touch on this single gold. So I'm going to do that from here now. I've increased it. After increasing it, touch on this option here. So from here now, I will play the full video for you to see where my reaction will come up. Then after my reaction, the main video will not come up.
Anything you are going to say or you are going to react towards the video is going to be the one that is going to play out. Even though that the main video, the sound also playing, but there is a way you are going to reduce the volume of the main video and leave only your voice video, which is the voice over, or your reaction video, your reaction towards the video. So after you have done that, you touch the circle again to stop the recording, which is your voice over or your reaction. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
The other video now pre-follow. So that is how you do your voice over or reaction to any video. If you want your face to be showing while you are doing the voice over or your voice reaction toward a video, I'm still going to do that part. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you don't understand any part of this video, you can drop your comment in the comment section there, and I will come to answer each and every question there. Like the video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.